Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Cloud Digital Leader Learning Paths second course Exploring Data Transformation with Google Clouds Quiz Challenge. So आपको already मैंने first quiz का challenge upload कर दिया है and you can access through the link in the description. The playlist is already there and in the similar fashion, I will be providing you the solution of all these six courses because on completing these six courses, you will be gaining direct extra 5 arcade points towards your arcade milestone. Okay, or arcade swags, not the milestone, but the swags. Okay, so now come back to it, open it, wait for it to load. And under this courses, you would be seeing three quizzes and the videos. Videos is totally up to you that you want to view or not. अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो आप अपनी knowledge gain करने के लिए सारी videos को go through कर सकते हैं. But I will be providing you the solution of the quizzes. So from the left panel, select the first quiz, open the first quiz and there are the answers. Okay, so I already gained 90% of the score in this quiz and the passing score is 80%, so you can simply use this solution. The question would be same but the order of the question can be different. यानी कि क्वेश्चन का जो ऑर्डर है, फर्स्ट नंबर का क्वेश्चन कुछ और हो सकता है, सेकंड नंबर क्वेश्चन आपकी केस में कुछ और हो सकता है. एंड सिमिलरली द ऑप्शंस ऑर्डर में ऑल्सो भी जिगल्ड, यानी कि ऑप्शंस का ऑर्डर भी ऊपर नीचे होगा, तो आपको इसका बात का ध्यान रखना है कि आप क्वेश्चन को ठीक से रीड करें फिर आंसर सिलेक्ट करें. So starting with the first question, the answer of the first solution is question is BigQuery. For the second one, it's Google Cloud Marketplace. For the third one, it's analyzing social media posts to identify sentiment toward a brand. And the fourth one is Data Lake. Answer for the fifth one is wrong in my case. So you can check for this, the last one, through machine learning. With every click that the user makes, their website experience become increasingly personalized. You can check this one and scroll down. For the sixth one, the answer is first party data. For the seventh one, it's the process of setting internal data policies and ensuring compliance with external standards. For the eighth one, it's data processing. For the ninth one, it's structured data. For the last one, it's a relational database. After selecting all these answers, once you click on the submit button, you will get your respective score. And yes, with this, you will also get the green tick beside your quiz. Once again, आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. You have to make sure that you read the question very carefully. After then, read the option and select one because the order of the question may jiggle. Okay. Now coming to the second quiz, this whole course consists of three quizzes. तो हमें तीनों के quizzes complete करने हैं. Once again, starting with the second quiz, I got 100% score in this quiz, so it's the good news. So the answer for the first question is geo-redundancy if data is stored in a multi-region or dual region. For the second one, it's data stream. For the third one, it's data teams can eradicate data silos by analyzing data across multiple cloud providers. For the fourth one, it's lift and shift. For the fifth one, it's cold line. For the sixth one is big table. For the seventh one, it's a spanner. For the eighth one, it's Cloud SQL. For the ninth one, it's Cloud Storage. And for the last, which is 10th, it's Storage and Analytics. Once again, click on the Submit button and you will get your 100% score in this quiz as well. Okay, so yes. So now with this, quickly jump to the quiz number third, which would be the last quiz. Okay, so quickly jump to this one, open it. And again, for this quiz also, I get the 100% of the score. So you can simply copy this. So answer for the first one is it's 100% web-based. Again, alert. It's a warning that the order of the question may shuffle. And for also the options. मतलब options भी ऊपर नीचे हो सकते हैं, questions भी ऊपर नीचे हो सकते हैं. So make sure you first read the question, then carefully select the option. Okay. Now the answer for the second one is PubSub. For the third one, it's handles infrastructure setup and maintenance for processing pipelines. For the fourth one, it's Looker. For the fifth one, it's temperature sensors. For the sixth one, it's extract, transform, and the load. With this, once you click on the submit button, you will get the 100% quiz score for this one also, and the green tick beside this lab. On completing this, you will see that you get the green tick beside all these courses or these courses, and the batch related to this will be visible in your profile. And with this, I am done. I already provided the solution of the previous course, and in the similar fashion, I will be uploading the solution of the remaining four courses. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any notification and hit the like button. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.